Yawn. I do it. You do it. Newborn baby do it. Great grandpa do it. We all do it. I'm sure you must have seen people do yawning around you in meetings or events when they feel bored or tired. We almost yawn every day, sometime after the lunch or sometime towards the end of the day at work when we feel tired or sometimes after we wake up from sleep. Every human being yawns. Not only human being, but all the animals and birds also yawn. I have seen my dog yawning several times. Do you ever wonder why? Why do we all yawn? Does yawning say something? Is yawning contagious? Is it harmful or beneficial to our body? Does it have any social effects? Does it need a treatment? To get the answers for all these questions, please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Over the years, our scientists have done several researches to find out the reasons behind yawning, and they have given many theories for it. One of the old theories was that when we are bored or too tired, we don't breathe deep enough and less oxygen is taken by our body, and to compensate it, we yawn to bring more oxygen into the blood and we move more carbon dioxide out of the blood from our body. But do you know that this is only a myth, and this theory was discarded almost 30 years ago after having some other new experiments. Another very interesting and one of the current theories behind yawning is that we yawn to cool down our brain. As you know that when we do long hours of study, sitting at a desk or do analytical thinking or try to solve some hard puzzles for a long time, then our brain gets heated up. To cool down our brain, we yawn. Yes, according to our scientists, yawning cools down our brain. The idea behind this concept is that when we start yawning, we do powerful stretching of our jaw that increases the blood flow in the neck, face, and our head. The deep intake of breath during yawn will force the downward flow of spinal fluid and blood from the brain. The cool air that we breathe into the mouth ultimately cools these fluids and hence cools our brain. Our scientists have also mentioned that we do yawning more in cool air around us comparative to hot air. Does it mean that people do yawning more in winter than summers? Yes, you heard me correct. People do more yawning in winters as comparative to summers. Does yawning say something? Yes, it does. Yawning is a form of communication that offers social message to the people around when they yawn. We can't say that it communicates a very clear and loud message, but for sure it transmits some sort of information that will have some effect on the brain or behavior of the person around. As you know, that usually we take yawning as a sign of sleepiness or boredom, so yawning tells others that one is not having a pleasant experience and getting bored. For sure, it is not a positive message, but again, it is spreading the message that one is not interested in one's talks. Not sure if we should take yawning in meetings as disrespectful or rude. What do you think? Have you ever noticed that you start yawning when you see a person yawning around you? Does it mean that yawning is contagious? Yes, that is correct. Yawning is very catching. But don't be scared by listening the word contagious. Instead, I should say it's a kind of unconscious behavior that enhance the people's social competency and empathy. You would be surprised to know that one single person's yawn in a group of people can trigger the yawning among whole group. It is interesting to know that sometimes if you hear about yawning or see a picture of yawning, then you start yawning. Why do we yawn when we see someone yawn? Well, here is the answer. Our medical science says that the human tendency for contagious yawning is triggered automatically by primitive reflexes in the primary motor cortex area of brain. This is the part of brain which is responsible for motor function. Now the question comes, is yawning harmful to our body? To answer this, I would say excessive yawning is harmful to our body. Or I should say that excessive yawning is a kind of remember to you that tells you that something somewhere is wrong with your body and you need to pay attention to it. Excessive yawning could be because of many reasons. One of the common reasons for excessive yawning is tiredness and lack of sleep. But other than sleep disorders, excessive yawning is associated with many other medical conditions such as anxiety, depression, heart problems, epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, etc. Or it may be because of some medicine side effects that cause drowsiness. So if one is yawning excessively, then do not ignore it and consult your doctor. Though the real reason behind why we yawn is still a mystery, but I hope you have learned many interesting facts related to yawning from this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and impressive facts.